The perimeter of a figure is the distance around the figure. To calculate the perimeter of a figure, you need to measure each side accurately and then add all of the values together. I'm going to show you now how to calculate the perimeter of the figure. I'm going to line up my ruler accurately with each of my sides. I'm going to do one side at a time, take the measurement and label each side. This side is 7.8 centimeters long. I'm going to label this side, just so I don't forget my values. I'm going to align the ruler again and measure the next side. That's 6.6 centimeters long. I'm going to label this side, 6.6 centimeters. Got this very short side here, and that is 1 centimeter long. And then two more sides to measure again. Need to make sure I'm going to do it accurately, so I'm going to align the ruler. This side is 2.6 centimeters. And my last side, 3.1 centimeters. So now I've got values of measure of each of the sides. I am going to add them together in order to find the perimeter of my figure. I'm going to start with 7.8, add 6.6, add 1, add 2.6, add 3.1. Going to do a calculation at the time so I don't get confused with my numbers. 7.8 add 6.6. 6 tenths and 8 tenths equals 14 tenths. So I've got a whole one that I can rename. 6 add 7 equals 13. Add 1 equals 14. Okay, so that's 14.4 centimeters. I've done these two values. Now I'm going to move on to these three. I'm going to start with 2.6, 3.1. I'm going to add 1 at the same time. So 0 tenths and 1 tenth equals 1 tenth. Add 6 tenths, that gives me 7 tenths. 2 add 3 equals 5. Add 1 equals 6. That gives me 6.7 centimeters. So now I need to add these two values together to combine the perimeter of. I've got 14.4 at 6.7. 7 tenths at 4 tenths equals 11 tenths. Got a whole one that I can rename. 6 at 4 equals 10. Add 1 equals 11. So I'm going to write down my 1 there. I'm going to rename 10. And 10 at 10 equals 20. 20 goes in my 10th column. So the perimeter around my figure equals 21.1 centimeters.